Hello guys, good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Kusadasi, Turkey. So kung nakita nyo guys, ang dami mga tao, no? Kasi Mediterranean season ngayon. So ang dami talaga mga Europeans na pumupunta dito sa Turkey guys. And by the way guys, I brought it up because Turkey actually is one of the must visit when it comes to Mediterranean season guys. Kasi ang dami nilang mga binibinta dito guys, no? Like this textiles over here. You got some rugs, carpets, yeah, and shirts and toys and souvenirs and so on guys. Tsaka yung mga jewelries guys, no? The reason I brought up this Real Talk series guys, because dito sa Turkey guys, Kusadasi talaga is napaka-friendly na lugar, no? Friendly ng mga tao, very safe. So yun lang masabi ko guys, kahit na sa mga eskinita guys, kagaya nito, no? Napaka-safe talaga ng lugar guys, napaka-friendly ng mga tao. Kaso lang yung mga items nila, kagaya nitong mga sapatos na to, most likely they came from China. Alright, kagaya ng mga bags na ganito, yan, galing yan China guys. So ang dami nilang mga ano, kahit yung mga ganyan, mga reproduction, look at the brands, ang ganda. Alright, so Christian Dior, di ba pa? And I would say dito naging popular yung tinatawag nila na first class, or you know, genuine fake, something like that. So yeah, so ang dami ka makikita dito guys, mura lang, no? Relos, jewelries. But one thing I can say is that yung mga jewelry dito guys is mura lang. Tapos kung dalhin mo sa atin guys, ano siya, mahal. So yun lang ang masabi ko. Alright, so yeah, punta kayo dito sa Kusadasi guys, ang ganda dito. And also guys, ayan, may mga perfumes pala guys. Yan, mura lang yan. Alright, so yan, masabi ko lastly guys is that, hello. Hi. See, napaka-friendly nila guys. And yun lang masabi ko lastly guys is that aside from being friendly, is that yung security dito guys, napaka good. Walang mga pickpockets, walang hold up. So this is one of those places in the Mediterranean na napaka-safe. Tsaka pinupuntahan talaga ng mga tao. So if there's a lot of people, business would bloom. And ayan. Hey, hey!
Hey, amigo, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Turkey is the best.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright. I'm only joking.
Alright, so ayan guys. Ayan. Come here to Kusadasi guys. See you next time. Teşekkür.